Are you a homeowner? Did you receive this letter from your insurance company demanding that you replace your roof because it's 15 years old? We have a solution for you. Hi, my name is Jason. I'm from Eustis Roofing. I'm on a mission to save homeowners thousands of dollars and keep you insured. I have a new system that rejuvenates the roof, brings it back to life so you don't have to replace your roof, and give you a 5-year warranty. We replaced this roof 15 years ago. It's in great shape. It doesn't need to be replaced, but the insurance company is making this homeowner do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray and clean this roof. We're gonna rejuvenate it with an all-natural oil that's pet-friendly, biodegradable. We're gonna put it on this roof system, bring it back to life, and save this homeowner thousands of dollars on a costly roof replacement. Getting started is simple. Click the link below. We'll send a team member out to evaluate your roof and start saving you thousands.